kasi ano, ihahatid lang namin yung napanalunan namin.
Ay.
Kaso nga may babayaran delivery ko. 5,000. Kasi nanalo siya sa Lucky Draw, ma'am. Eh ngayon, galing pa kasi kami ng Manila, ma'am. Siyempre, medyo malayo po. Kaya, ang hindi niya alam, ma'am, may delivery charge po. Hindi ba niya nasabi sa inyo, ma'am? Hindi pa po. Ay, hindi pa kayo nag-uusap, ma'am?
Surprise.
Hindi po.
Siyempre na. Paano may bawa ka doon sa club niya? Yun.
Di bali, ma'am, pag ano po, sabihin na lang po namin sa kanya, ma'am, bali, kanina po lang po namin pinagawa sa po ay nanalo. Eh, baka po tulog pa po siya dun sa Amerika, ma'am, kaya hindi pa po niya nabata. Eh, on the way na po kami kanina.
Tatawagin mo.
Ano na lang po kayo, tingnan niyo na lang po yun, ma'am. Pag satisfied po kayo, di, ano na lang po. Nakaread pa kayong dalawa, mama. Sige po, ma'am. Malibo po kayo dito, sir. Dito po. Ma'am, halika dito, halika dito. Ah, dito po. Kayo po mag-ano. Happy Father's Day, galing kay Ma'am Jennifer. Pakikita na lang po to, tay. Ayan po. Wow, may pera din si tatay. Magaling pala ni tatay para ano niya to. Ayan po. Ayan, tay. Ayan, wow. Ang daming pera ni tatay. Wow. Ayan. Nagsitas si tayo. Ayan po. Ayan po ang pera ni tatay. Ayan po. Happy birthday, Nanay Gloria. Ang hiling ko lamang ay mag-ingat kayo at lagi at malayo sa anumang sakit. Sobrang miss ko na kayo. At mahal na mahal ko kayo, Nanay. Again, happy blessed birthday, Nanay. Ito naman kay Tatay. Happy Father's Day, Daddy Ador. Magpalakas kayo lagi dahil pupunta pa kayo dito sa US. Kayong dalawa ni Nanay. Ipapasyal ko kayo sa mga sikat na pasyalan dito. Tulad ng Hollywood sa Los Angeles, Disneyland at marami pang iba. Kakain tayo ng masasarap na pagkain sa mga sikat na restaurant. Yan ang pinapangarap ko para sa inyo, nanay at daddy. Kaya please po, alagaan at ingatan nyo ang mga sarili nyo dyan. Maging healthy kayo lagi, ha? Oh, dapat maging healthy kayo lagi, ma'am, para makapunta kayo sa US. Nanay and daddy, pasensya na, medyo late na. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking munting regalo at sorpresa sa inyo. Eto, ma'am, ang pinakamabait at pinakamaganda ninyong anak, walang iba kundi si Jenny. Sa mga kapatid ko, huwag na kayong kumontra. Love you all, brother and sister. God bless us always. Ma'am, ano pong masasabi nyo sa pa-surprise si Ma'am Jenny po? Ano masasabi nyo, ma'am?
Salamat anak.
Maraming salamat.
Bigay mo sa amin.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now